I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox disconnected error code 280. The primary reason for this error is often an outdated game client. Roblox frequently releases updates to improve performance and fix bugs. Keeping your game updated ensures compatibility with the servers, preventing connection issues. Make sure to check your device's App Store or the official Roblox website for any pending updates to your game. Next, let's look at your system settings. An incorrect date or time on your device can sometimes interfere with Roblox's ability to connect to its servers. It's best to set your device to automatically synchronize its date and time. Additionally, a quick restart of your computer or mobile device can often clear temporary issues and refresh your system, which might resolve the error code 280. Sometimes, accumulated or corrupted cache files can cause unexpected errors. Clearing these temporary files can often resolve connection issues. If clearing the cache doesn't work, a complete reinstallation of Roblox is a powerful solution. This ensures you have a fresh, uncorrupted installation of the game, often fixing persistent error code 280 problems. Finally, let's consider your network and security settings. An unstable or slow internet connection is a common culprit for disconnections. Also, your computer's firewall or antivirus software might be mistakenly blocking Roblox from accessing the internet. Temporarily disabling these security programs can help you determine if they are the cause of error code 280. Remember to re-enable them afterward for your device's protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.